Okay, now I'm inside. I'm gonna go out. It has nice vinyl windows and doors with the mullions here. So you've got, in the living room, you've got French doors all across the front. So everything opens up nicely. And you come out here. You've got, there's the Talengera condos. There's the building you wanted to be in, but nothing is available and nobody has any intention of selling. So right here, you can see the beach from up here. You see all of San Juan, and you see looking southeast. So down here, this is servants' quarters here, and the big generator. And this is the gated parking. There's a gate here, and there's a gate on the other side of that mango tree. So you can park like 4 to 6 vehicles and boats in there. And there's stairs that go down to it over here. So, and from here, from this patio, you also have access to the pool area. So this needs some work. Rotten wood. Yeah, these stairs need some work. But this is the pool area, and then back there's like a nice covered space for the pool. I'll show you more of that later. And then these are balconies off of the master bedroom here. So you've got a nice pool. You've got a nice flat area where it's really shallow. You can sit in a lounge chair and hang out. But this time of the day, it's full sun. The nice thing is late afternoon, it doesn't get as much sun. You can hear the waves. There's all the French doors across the front. Ceiling, you have ceiling fans out here too, which is nice.